resort is a wonderful one. We had a gala time here in the nature. It is in the nature. You will love it. We are happy. We are enjoying it.
It's just living in a forest with waterfall, river and everything with natural environment. We have never experienced something like this before. I think going to Africa, first visit here and enjoy here in India.
So we are from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and this is one of the best experiences I've ever had. It's like around the nature with a lot of things to do. Surely must visit.
It should be a trip for more than one day. They have too many activities which you need to experience. They have a beautiful waterfall where you can have bath. It's just beautiful. It's a nature touch to everything. You're very connected to the nature here.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Bye bye.